photosynthesis. I know it's not balanced. There's other things. But the main thing is you are producing an organic compound, a sugar, right? That with inorganic molecule. Again, carbon dioxide is considered inorganic. So you need carbon. So it's the carbon here that is incorporated in photosynthesis. And we're going to talk much more about photosynthesis than this here. But I'm just starting to spread the seeds in your mind. This inorganic phosphate group has a battery charge. So this glucose can be, through dehydration synthesis reaction, turn into sucrose or turn into starch. We're breaking one of these bonds. So that energy, it takes energy to produce dehydration synthesis reactions. And that's where there's two types of photosynthesis, light and dark reactions. I know, I have it here. These thylakoid discs. One of these is a thylakoid disc. This is another thylakoid disc. Coupled together. They're stacked together. They're known as grana. The stroma is everything else. The gelatinous part of the chloroplast. Other than these grana, think of a stack of pancakes, right? And that's what they look like. Individual pancakes would be individual thylakoid discs. And it's on the membrane of these thylakoid discs that the light reactions occur. Photons of light. A photon is a packet of light energy. A packet of light energy. Photons come in different colors. Visible light that are Roy G. Biv, that you're familiar with. I'll be talking more about that later on. My point here is that light reaction occurs only in the thylakoid membranes. The dark reactions occur in the stroma. And this is where that sugar phosphate is ultimately produced. The sugar phosphate. Light reactions, you need ATP and NADPH. Okay? I'm gonna talk more about this. Now I said it. NADPH. And ATP. From the light reactions. And the NADPH and ATP will drive the dark reaction to produce a sugar phosphate. You definitely need light photons from the sun or white light, okay, to strike thylakoid membrane to produce these. But once you have NADPH and ATP, you don't need light. So technically, half of photosynthesis, you don't need light. So the lights can, and most of photosynthesis happens during the nighttime in a lot of these plants. The production of this inorganic phosphate. So, for now, this will be all you're responsible for. Okay? The light reaction, okay, occurs in the thylakoid membranes and or in these grana. Okay? The dark reaction occurs within the stroma. Okay? The stroma is everything else within that chloroplast. And again, double membranous organelle, okay? Just like we've seen with the mitochondria. Okay? So again, you're establishing many different gradients to, you'll see in other aerobic respiration and or photosynthesis. Let me, before I leave you on a break, go over the strona, pigments, photosynthesis. Just like the mitochondria, we saw different DNA. Chloroplasts will also have a different DNA other than the DNA within the cell in plants. And certain protistans will obviously, that protistans that will photosynthesize will also have chloroplast. Not all protistans, but every single plant will photosynthesize. All set with that? Okay, another 10, 15 minutes. Yeah, I'm responsible for it.